Historical evaluation of fluorides. First one is in 1529, Georgius Agricola described the use of fluorospore as a flux. The second one is 1886, Ferdinand Frederick Henry Moissan. He is a French chemist. He has isolated fluorine gas from the hydrogen gas. His work was so impressive that he has awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1906. The third one is in 1901, Dr. Frederick Mickey, Colorado Springs, Colorado, USA. His graduation from the University of Pennsylvania Dental School, he noticed that many of his patients, particularly those who had lived in that area, apparently permanent stain on their teeth. These stains are known as Colorado stain, but he is called that stain as mottled enamel. So, mottled enamel is the term was given by the Dr. Frederick Mickey in 1901. In 1905, Mickey moved to St. Louis to practice endodontics, but he has not discovered the stain there. In 1908, Mickey come back to Colorado. He learned of similar conditions in several other towns also. In 1909, Dr. Green Vardian Black, Dean of Northwestern University Dental School in Chicago, he agreed to attend the Colorado State Dental Association meeting. So in 1909, Mickey, Isaac Burton, A. Fleming examined 2,945 children in Colorado. In 87.5% of the children native in their place have mottled enamel. In 1912, Mickey found an article written by Dr. J.M. Eager. He described the stains or brownish discoloration. He called that stains as dentidiceae. So, dentidiceae is the term called by Dr. J.M. Eager. In 1916, Mickey and G.B. Black conducted studies on 26 different communities in USA. They found an unknown factor present in the water. In Britain, shallow wells to deep wells are changed in 1898, having discoloration. Britain was changed from shallow wells to deep wells after 1898, and those people who were born prior to 1898 had normal appearance of the teeth, but after 1898 had enamel mottling. In 1918, Mickey confirmed the presence of an unknown element in the water supplied to the definitive causative factor for enamel mottling. Similar findings were reported in bauxite. There also shallow wells to deep wells change in water in 1909. In 1931, Churchill H.V., he is a chemist. He is worked in Aluminium Company, Alaqua, Pennsylvania, found that presence of fluoride in excessive amount in water samples from bauxite. That fluoride level is 13 ppm to 17 ppm. The next is 1931, Smith M.C., Lance E.M., Smith H.V., Arizona, and Velu H. Balozet L. in France. They also found presence of fluoride in the water produce mottled enamel. Trendley H. Dean conducted a survey called Shoe-Leather Survey in 1931. In 1931, Dr. Trendley H. Dean conducted another survey also. It is called 22 City in 10 states of USA. The sample of children are taken are 5,829 children. Following report on mottling of enamel at various concentration of fluoride. That is, high concentration of fluoride in water is directly related to the severity of the enamel mottling, and above the 3 ppm, that is very severe, and 4 ppm pitting of the enamel, less than 2.5 and 3 ppm white chalky appearance, and 1 ppm no mottling. So in 1934, Dean produced mottling index, that is Dean's index of fluorosis. In 1942, Dean told 1 ppm of fluoride in drinking water, 60% of reduction in caries experience is present. So here the first question, Colorado stain was discovered by option A, Green, option B, Mickey, option C, Dean, option D, Knudsen. So 1 ppm of fluoride is used for community water supply. So here the answer is Mickey. Colorado stain was discovered by Mickey. Question number 2. Shoe leather survey was carried out by option A, Mickey, option B, Eager, option C, Trendley Dean, option D, Brown. So answer is Trendley Dean. He conducted a shoe leather survey. Third question. The element fluoride was described by Churchill in option A 1934, option B 1942, option C 1931, option D 1941. So here the answer is 1931. The element fluoride was described by Churchill in 1931. The fourth question. The term mottled enamel to Colorado stain was given by option A, Mickey, option B, Black, option C, Dean, option D, Jones. So here the answer is option A, Mickey. He termed the mottled enamel to Colorado stain. Fifth question is, best way to prevent caries is option A, systematic fluoridation, option B, fluoride mouthwash, option C, fluoride toothpaste, option D, fluoride prophylaxis. So the answer is systematic fluoridation. It is the best way to prevent caries. The sixth question is, Mickey discovered Colorado stain in option A 1901, option B 1897, option C 1908, option D 1930. So here the answer is 1901. Mickey discovered Colorado stain in 1901. The seventh question is, the WHO index for fluorosis is based on option A, Dean's index, option B, Mickey's index, option C, community fluorosis index, option D, public health fluorosis index. So the answer is Dean's index. So in 1934, Dean